with the ocean in her eyes. From Sydney lights to Fiji sky. Sun-kissed skin, up the breeze in her hair. A soldier's heart was soft and rare. Boots on the ground, medals on her chest. But when she smiles, she disarms my defense. From parade ground to the village road, still the finest woman Fiji ever rode. Strong in uniform, sweet in my arms. A warrior queen with violent charm. Captain of my heart, commander of my soul. When you touch my body, I lose control. You lead the army, but you lead me too. In the dark of night, I surrender to you. From Noco girl to my midnight flame. Every time I whisper your name, came back glowing from the Aussie sun. But Fiji knows where you belong. My one, your walk is fire, your voice is calm. A battlefield queen with a lover's charm. When the uniform drops to the bedroom floor, you're not a captain, you're something more. Your lips give orders I love to obey. Your body is a war I enjoy every day. Oh, iko na no maramagaka. Dauni valuia, dauni lolo mataraga. But also my lover, captain of my heart, commander of my soul. When you pull me close, I'm losing control. You conquer nations, but you conquered me. With one slow smile, one soft body. From Noco girl to my midnight flame. Every time I whisper your name. And a quiet night after duty is done, we make our own battle, just two as one. Your hands on my chest, my hands on your waist. Slow, wild and fine, no time to waste. You lead me gently, then take command. Your body speaks what words can't understand. No ranks between us under moonlight skin. Just a Fijian queen in her island man. Captain of my heart, forever you stand. Not just in uniform, but holding my hand. From Australia back to Fiji shore, I love you deeper than ever before. Strong in battle, soft with me. Namara mani Noco, my destiny. Nano so dia, mama mani Noco, my destiny. Nano so dia.